Hey, what's up guys, this is IK from IMK Technical Hub, and today in this video we will be doing the unboxing of Puma water bottle. This one is unisex water bottle. That means that it can be used by both men and women, and the color of this bottle is peach. And this water bottle I have purchased via Myntra. So in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of this Puma water bottle. So let's begin. So friends, you can see when you purchase this water bottle, so you will expect a packaging like this, simple poly bag and inside water bottle. So let's cut it and see. So friends, you can see this is a water bottle. So I will show you the invoice. So friends, you can see the MRP of this water bottle is 899, but I have purchased it at a price of 494. So friends, the link for this is in video description. So friends, you can see this is a half liter water bottle. So let's remove the plastic. And also friends, some informations which I want to show you. So you can see the generic name bottle, maximum retail price has been written is 899, but you can get at a price of 494 to 539 rupees very easily. The link for this is in video description. And friends, you can see the most important, this water bottle is BPA free, and the style of this water bottle is Puma TR bottle sports style. So friends, you can see this is BPA free, maximum up to 80 degrees Celsius. So if you kept water into this for a long period of time, the water will not give you foul smell. Friends, you can see there is a hook as well. You can tie up in your bag, or if you are cycling then you can also use there. So friends, opening the water bottle, so you have to open this ring and then you have to press this. So the water bottle is open. So friends, you can see the quality of material is very good. This one is also BPA free water bottle, and you can also open full, and inside you can see the quality is very good. Puma branding is also given there. You can see there is a Puma branding, and also there are some informations has been written, and this one is made in Germany. So friends, this is the unboxing of Puma water bottle that is BPA free, and you can store water and drink water without any foul smell comes from the plastic, because this material is very good. So friends, I hope this video is useful, and if you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe IMK Technical Hub so that we can give you these kind of videos. So friends, thanks for watching. Jai Hind, and I will see you in the next video.